to use Zomato membership. To use Zomato membership, you need to activate it on the Zomato app using a promo code or purchase it directly through the app and then visit the partner restaurant for dining benefit. So basically you want to do is open the Zomato app on your device, and next you simply want to go ahead and navigate to the profile at the top right corner of your screen. After which, what you need is find and select the gold or similar membership option, and basically you could find the gold and similar section right on this page, and you need to go ahead and follow on the on-screen instructions and find the redeem code or have a code section. Then you have to enter the unique promo code you received and follow any remaining prompt to complete the activation. If a payment is required, you need to check if the code provides a discount or not. And if you want to use the membership at a restaurant, then you need to find a restaurant by checking the Zomato app for a restaurant that offers a gold benefit. So basically, you have to go and look for the restaurant, and after which you then need to, at the restaurant, have to ask the staff which items on the menu are covered by the Zomato Gold offer, as not all dish or drinks may be included, and you have to show the Zomato app with your active membership to the staff before ordering or paying for it. And this way, you could go ahead and check the app or ask the staff to apply the benefit to your bill before payment, and that's how you could use Zomato membership. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.